Hello class 9C. In our last class, we discussed the topic like hygroscopic substances, what are drying agents, then we discussed about what are dehydrating agents along with the examples, and then we talked about desiccators. Now, today we are going to see about the hard and soft water. Okay, what does hard and soft water means? Hard water does not mean the water is hard, and soft water does not mean the water is soft. Over here, how to define soft water and hard water is a sample of groundwater freely lathers with soap solution. That means a water which forms lather easily. That means lather means foam. Say for example, when you use a soap with water, you can see the bubbles. Okay, that will be lathers. So a water which can easily form lathers with soap solution, they are called soft water. And hard water is a sample of groundwater which instead of freely forming lather with soap solution form sticky scum. So hard water means they do not form lather easily with soap solution. And hard water is of two types. The example of soft water is a rainwater. The rainwater is soft water, and then hard water we can take it as river water, sea water. Okay, they are hard water. Next we have got types of hardness of water. So there are two types of hardness of water. One is temporary hardness, and another is permanent hardness. Now what is the reason behind this temporary hardness and permanent hardness, and what is it? A sample of groundwater which ordinarily forms scum with soap solution, but after boiling it forms lather. So temporary hard water is uh, a hard water which forms soap solution but only after boiling. Okay, whereas permanent hard water means a sample of groundwater which even on boiling does not form lather with soap solution. So the permanent hard water means the hard water which even on boiling does not form lather with soap solution. They are called as permanent hard water. Now hardness, what is the causes of hardness? Okay, what is the causes of hardness? So the causes of temporary hardness is because of the presence of this calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate salts. Okay, so if the water contains these two salts, there will be a temporary hardness. So and this is formed by calcium carbonate. When reacts with hydrogen and carbon dioxide, it will form calcium bicarbonate, and magnesium carbonate when reacts with water and carbon dioxide, it forms magnesium bicarbonate. Next we have got way to remove temporary hardness. How we can remove this hardness? So since it is a temporary hardness, we can simply boil it in order to remove the hardness. So when calcium bicarbonate is heated, it forms again, give back the same product, calcium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. And magnesium bicarbonate on heating will give you magnesium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. So this is how we can remove the temporary hardness. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of the salt, calcium bicarbonate and magnesium carbonate, that you need to remember. Next we have got causes of permanent hardness. What is the cause of permanent hardness? So when groundwater flows over the surface of the earth, it dissolves the minerals like calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate present in it and becomes permanent hard. So the presence of this salt, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate makes the water permanently hard. Okay, whereas in case of temporary hardness we have got these two salts, and in case of permanent hardness we have got these four salts. Now how we can remove the permanent hardness? So way to remove permanent hardness is calcium chloride, if you have got, is need to be treated with sodium carbonate. So when you treat with sodium carbonate, it will form calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. So in that way we can remove the hardness. And next, magnesium sulfate can react with sodium carbonate to form magnesium carbonate and sodium sulfate. In that way also we can remove the permanent hardness. Okay, next we'll see what are the advantages and disadvantages of hard water. Okay, so advantages is the presence of salt in hard water makes it tasty, therefore it is used in the preparation of beverages and wines. Okay, so this is the advantage, first advantage. Second advantage is calcium and magnesium salt present in the small amount in hard water are essential for the growth of our bones and teeth. Okay. Next, hard water checks the poisoning of water by lead pipes. So hard water also does not allow the lead poisoning. Next, disadvantages of hard water is hard water is not suitable for producing steam, which is used by the boilers to produce a huge amount of steam to carry out the reactions. Next, it spoils taps, washing machines, and even geysers. And hard water is also unfit for washing purposes. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of hard water. Now today's assignment number 9. Question number 1: what are hard water and soft water? Question number 2: what do you understand by temporary hardness and permanent hardness? Question number 3: what are the causes for the following and mention one way to remove the hardness with the help of an equation? A. Temporary hardness and B. Permanent hardness. And question number 4: write two advantages and two disadvantages of hard water. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.